Health assessments shouldn't be impossible to read when you need them most. You click on a patient's diabetes assessment and get thrown into a confusing view where questions are cramped into unreadable formats and responses are scattered across different rows. Your clinical team wastes time deciphering fragmented information when they should be focusing on patient care. AI transforms unreadable assessment data into clear, actionable clinical insights right where you need them, turning scattered patient responses into organized intelligence that supports better care decisions. Let me show you how this eliminates the clinical frustration. Here's Charles Green's diabetes assessment, where you'd normally struggle with this problematic view. Look at this assessment question response section. Questions are cramped into unreadable formats, responses are split across multiple columns, making it nearly impossible to quickly understand the patient's health status. You can see the truncated text that tells you nothing useful at first glance. Instead of dealing with that mess, I'll run our assessment summary prompt and let AI reorganize everything into clinically useful information. I'll simply head to the dropdown and select Assessment Summary and then Run GPTfy. Watch the transformation when I click Run GPTfy. AI processes all the assessment data and creates a clear, comprehensive summary. Instead of parsing through truncated questions and scattered responses, you get organized insights that tell you Charles has type 1 diabetes, rates his overall health as good, but indicates he needs help with certain aspects of his care, and shows area where his diabetes management could be improved. Now this comprehensive clinical picture sits right at the top of your patient record, so you never have to navigate to that confusing separate view again. This is where it gets really powerful for your specific clinical protocols. It's incredibly easy to add your assessment interpretation guidelines, clinical decision trees, and care pathway recommendations in the prompt builder. Whether it's your diabetes care standards, chronic disease management protocols, or specific clinical assessment criteria, you simply input your existing clinical frameworks and GPTfy automatically incorporates them into every assessment summary. The AI doesn't just organize data, it interprets assessments according to your organization's specific clinical methodology and care standard. Throughout this entire process, your sensitive patient data stays completely secure and HIPAA compliant. GPTfy maintains enterprise-grade security with complete audit trails of every AI interaction. All patient PHI is masked before being sent to AI, and every assessment analysis is logged and auditable for compliance purposes. This gives your compliance team the transparency they need while ensuring sensitive information, like Charles's medical records, personal health details, and assessment data never reach the AI model in their original form. GPTfy's bring your own model approach means you can use any AI provider for your healthcare assessment analysis. OpenAI on Azure, Anthropic Claude, Google Gemini, or any other LLM that meets your healthcare infrastructure requirements. You can even use different models for different types of clinical assessments while maintaining the same security and compliance standards across all your patient intelligence. Your clinical team sees complete patient assessment data in seconds instead of minutes. Your care coordinators make informed decisions with clear, organized information that highlights key health indicators. Critical health data never gets lost in poor formatting or confusing layouts. Your patient care becomes more efficient when assessment data is immediately actionable. The result? Clinical decision-making based on clear, organized patient intelligence rather than fragmented, hard-to-read assessments powered by AI that understands your clinical assessment needs. Check out more Salesforce and AI real-world use cases in our demo video section, or book a demo to see your healthcare Salesforce AI use cases in action.